I'm gonna have yours a part of this thing out the battery. Yeah. Was with that pump design, this motor shaft fit to this impeller nice. Look at that, all bolts up and everything. But yeah, not gonna fit the pump housing though, is it? I might try to make a siren of this impeller, but I have to get this machine down to about level here, so I can bolt a thing around this bell housing plate of this motor. Have a little blades that come off that, the rod blades that come off that, and then have air to buffer it against it. Imagine this thing off of a VFD, eh? On an air raid siren setup. Oh, that'll be good. Machining this little impeller down. It's very good quality stainless steel impeller. Doesn't fit this motor even though it's the same size shaft. This one has a slot all the way through it, not the actual machine. One doesn't go all the way to the end. This one here does have the slot that goes all the way to the end, like this one. And yeah, the other bearing off that pump does not fit the back of this motor. It's too small. Bugger! It's bloody gorgeous, this old motor. I love it. When Australia made some good stuff instead of just consuming it and destroying it like it does now. Looks like it's been actual proper laser welded and everything, or spot welded. Yeah, if I had a machining tool, I could run this thing on the VFD, just go zzz, just machine it down on this motor to there. Because I can't actually make a housing to go on that bell housing of that motor, because that impeller's too damn big. Comes across, obstructs these holes a little bit. That's going to be a challenge. Yeah, how am I going to make something to go on there so I can buffet air? Definitely strong enough to take high RPM. It's a good strong impeller. You can see it's kind of bent. So stuff's been caught in it in the past. Then go on that with the fling water. It's obviously spins that way to fling the water outwards. Out the outlet. That's what was in the housing. So stuff's gotten caught in there. Rocks, sticks. Yeah, the other one that they got now to replace that submersible pump is a quarter grinder pump. It's got this impeller, and it's got like a shredder grinding attachment that goes with it, and it grinds as well as pump the water. So the impeller, it's a two-stage impeller system, and it grinds and blends things as well as pumping the water. So it's like a blend. It's kind of like a Blendtec blender built into on the impeller of the pump. Quite a nice design. It's a $6,000 little bloody $6,000 pump. It's about the same size as that blue one that I scrapped. Very heavy, very well made, and yeah, how it's designed is just awesome. It's like pretty much a Blendtec blender that pumps water. You can chew through it and grind up anything. Its only a weakness though is plastic stickers. Any plastic stickers like this, because people wash the dried fruit bits and all those plastic stickers are built up in the drains, and they tend to dull up somehow into the pump. That's its only weakness, but other than that, it does grind through them and push them all through, but when there's so much of them in the bloody drain, all at once, it just blocks up. Other than that, yeah, it's a good pump. It just grinds anything in its path. It's like a proper sewage pump. It'll just grind everything, blend it up. It's like an incinerator. Pretty much call it an incinerator pump. It's awesome. Yeah, I know Machine Man's good at making his air raid sirens. If I can machine that down, flush with the end of these impeller blades, and then they come up with a little thing that can go on our plate with a little pipe on it, and make some buffets that closely clear against the ends of these impeller blades. Then I should be right to go from there. I should start making noise, and I could just add and modify it from there on to get the best performance out of it. Yeah, this is too big, see? Oh, I could, if I was good. I'm going to get another plate to bolt on here, and a water seal behind that plate that goes around this lip and goes in behind this motor shaft, and have the water seal built into that plate, and bolt an external housing on it with some fittings, and make a pump out of this actual motor setup. Can be done, but this isn't worthwhile at all. Put them off on a plate to go on here. It's got to go around that lip. It's going to have a water seal behind that to seal against that motor shaft. Challenge. Anyway, best as an airload Siren project. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. This is a float switch off that submersible pump. Well, I was wondering how these work. This is all sealed, obviously. I've cut it open and let the break the seal. That sits like that, and that ball bearing moves around and rolls on this little bit here, unlike a ramp. So when it's floating, it's depressing this lever, which turns a switch on to make the pump turn on when the tank is full. And when the pit or tank is empty, the ball bearing floats away from that. So I must go, when this goes down, let's fully afloat, lock that upside down. So it'll be floating like that. The ball bearing sits up there, and the switch is pressed like that. That's how it sits. And when it goes down, it presses on that, turns it off. Hang on, this might be a normally open maybe. And that's open, and that's closed. Or open, the pump's on, that's closed, turns it off. And that's on the bottom of the pit. That might be how it is, yeah. That makes sense. So when the pit's full, the pump's on. This sinks at the bottom as a pump goes, sucks the water out. Pump is off when this is on the bottom. Pretty simple. Pretty cool stuff. Cool design. Anyway. Actually, that fit on there. Oh, it's close. Very close, isn't it? Oh, no, not quite. Bugger. Close fit. Ah, well. Ah, well. Not to worry. Okay, my coal can stay down there. Maybe I should get one of the bearings out of this motor and just swap it around. I think they're bigger though. Yeah, they're bigger. But it's just a shame that motor's bugging though. The start winding runs, but the run winding don't. Wonder how much effort it would be to rewind that as a 3-phase motor. That'd be nice. Be a fair effort though. Okay, I should be right for me now. There's I run the metering guy yesterday. Hasn't got much for me at this stage. He's gone to the depot today. Excuse me. He's gone to one of the country town depots somewhere in Victoria. Apparently they don't want to clean up, and he's instructed all the technicians, look, please keep any analog meters aside. They know that. He's instructing all of his people that work for him, all of his techs, contractors, is asking them all, please keep any meters, terminal covers aside, and keep them all intact together. So yeah, he's instructing all of his contractors that work for him to get all the keep all the meters intact. And they find in storage, they're gonna pack them away in boxes for me, and the tech packs them up in their boxes like this for me. Then it goes out of his way to label them. Appreciate that very much. It's good. Really goes out of his way. And some of his contractors have actually he's been instructing them, please keep the bloody terminal covers with the meters. He told him the bloke wants the terminal covers intact with the meters. And yeah, apparently some of them didn't listen, and some they threw the terminal covers out. But yeah, I am getting more and more terminal covers intact with these meters. Yeah, so it's good. I'm getting more and more intact meters, which was really good. Yeah. What else have I got? Yeah, I should one day, when I get the meters later on in this month, take that light out and put it in here with these ones to save room, because I might have to put more boxes up there yet. Yeah, economise space in this container as best I can. Got everything I need in this container for a good man cave and have some real fun. Yeah. Even stuff like that that's junk, I'm going to part them out eventually, hoard them up, then I'll still get chances to get stuff and just part them out when I get a good man cave. Because I need more flybacks. And Belly from losttreasure.com.au is back online, I just found out. I thought it had gone for good, but yeah, he still owes me some flybacks too, but no rush. Put another hook up there and hang the rest of those lights up with a nice strong piece of wire. Big lights to hang up there. Economise space and minimise stuff getting broken. Anyway, starting to rain like bugger now. That'd be enough for now. Thanks for watching.